your boy T back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. I know it's been a while since I posted a box. Just life been lifing, man. Life been lifing. Your boy been working. Your boy been chilling. I'm still good. Still doing beater boxes of course. If you follow the for sale page, you know I'm still active on there. TGOTSOLE for sale on IG. Make sure you tap in. I appreciate each and every one of y'all who be shopping on that page. But yeah, I figured I'd shoot a video, man. I got 3 boxes in, $875. We're gonna see what we got from Soul Supremacy. I've been getting a bunch of stuff from them, from Whatnot too, a whole bunch of individual stuff. But this week I got lucky on the boxes. I got 3. This was the most expensive one, $875 plus shipping, so $925 box, $50 shipping. We're just gonna jump right in. Old dusty Jordan box, size 12, Jordan 11 lows. Haven't seen these in a while. We got the infrared Jordan 11 lows. Very clean. Tell from the bottom. Very clean. Size 12. I haven't seen these in a while. The lows. Infrared 23s. I actually have a size 8 or 8.5 in these also. Around the same condition. These are clean. Not a bad pickup. 11 still move pretty well. 11 still move pretty well. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't shot a video in so long. Your boy a little nervous. Size 7.5 zebras. This is the 2019 release. We got some zebras. Believe it or not, this pair is probably still gonna move pretty fast. Even though it's a 7.5, the zebras, for some reason, I can't keep the zebra. They move fast. This shoe probably be gone within 2 weeks. Pre-owned, no box. Everything without a box, of course, don't come with a box. I feel like I gotta say all of the basic stuff all over again. Everything with a box will be double box shipped. Size 10 on these Jordan, another pair of Jordan 11s. Another low, another low. We got Space Jam lows, size 10, pretty clean. My little setup is kind of janky. Box is tilting. Check those out. Bottom still decent. Size 10. Got a scuff right here on this left toe box. I'm gonna see if I can get that out. Still got the jump man jumping on the insole. Check that out. Clean. Not bad, not bad. Space Jam lows. I don't mind a Jordan 11 low. Or a Jordan 1 low. I actually like lows in the 11s and the ones. I know everybody prefer the highs, but lows don't look too bad. We got 3 pair out, we got 4 pair left. We got a size 10 Air Max 1 collab. Little jewelry bag. Had these before. I don't know the nickname to them. The Powder collab, size 10 on these. Not a bad Air Max. Air Max 1s are comfortable, man. Classic, classic. Got the extra laces in here. My bad, y'all. I'm trying not to let this box drop. I'm gonna have to get my setup back right. And got like a little jewelry bag in here. I want to see what's in here. I don't know what this is. I thought it looked like a little bracelet. So that's cool. The little add-in, throw-in stuff they give you. Size 10 on those. I know I'm moving through this box kind of quick, but if you follow the IG page, you'll see more pictures of all this stuff. We got a Jordan 4, size 9.5. Royalty. Been a while since I had this pair. Royalty 4s, size 9.5. Hey, I knew one of them was gonna. I knew one of them was gonna hit. Show y'all these 4s, man. Royalty 4s still pretty clean, very, very clean. Jumpman still on the insole. The suede is not faded at all. Still got all the stars on the good 90% of the stars on the bottom. These ring lights are great. Hope y'all can see those good. Royalty 4s. I'm rushing. I got one box down here. I want to see what's inside. I just sold a pair. I wonder if I got it back in my size. Judging by the size of the box, I did. Jordan 11, you can tell from the box what this is, size 10. Alright. Got all of the inserts and all that stuff in here. Got a clean pair too. We have a clean pair of the Gammas. Oh yeah. You can't lose with these. Clean pair of Gammas. I moved a pair out of a beater box probably like 2 weeks ago. These will go up on the for sale page and sell fast. It's size 10, good size. These coming back out, so I figure we'll probably be seeing more of these in beater boxes. But these coming back out, I want to say holiday 2025. Size 10 on those. These are very clean Gammas. The worst part about the 11 is putting everything back together. So we're gonna skip that part for now. Save y'all the hassle of watching me do that. Now this is the box I've been wanting to get to. This ain't my size. I could already tell from the box that it wasn't gonna be my size. The size of the box. Size 12. Oh, okay. I had the other Union ones at first. We got the Guava Ice Off-White Jordan 4. Look like somebody already got to the tune part of it. These are clean though. Very, very clean. Check out the bottom. Got all the stars on there. I haven't had this one. I've had the blue pair, which I actually like better, but I think these are worth more. I know these are worth more. Size 12 on these. These will probably be going back to the man cave. With the hang tag. Size 12, size 12. That's gonna conclude this box. I know we kind of did it fast. I'm trying to hurry up and get up out of here because I gotta meet somebody at the gym. I appreciate each and every one of y'all who watched the videos. Thank you for everybody who followed the for sale page on IG. Make sure you keep tapping into that. And man, DM me if you see anything in this video. Most of these shoes will go up on the for sale page in the story. And just gonna keep on adding stuff. And yes, I did cut my hair. I was gonna mention that at the beginning of the video. Hair is gone. I think I did it on my birthday last September. That's how long it's been since your boy posted a video. But I did a lot of stuff on my birthday this year. A lot of important stuff I wanted to do to gift myself. I'm not even gonna get into that, but it was a very good birthday for me. Still rocking out, man. Still doing the beater boxes. Like I said, I still talk to a lot of y'all in the DMs on IG. Make sure you follow the for sale page again for the 15th time at TGOTSOLE for sale. It'll be on the bottom of the screen. Make sure you like, share, and comment. I'm not even gonna promise I'm gonna continue to stay active on YouTube, but I'm gonna try. I think that's gonna conclude it, man. Leave a comment down below what y'all rate this box. I hope each and every one of y'all are staying healthy, staying blessed, staying motivated, staying positive. All that. I hope everybody had a happy new year. I know I'm super late to that. But each and every one of y'all who I haven't talked to in a while, some of y'all just talked to in the comments, but I hope each and every one of y'all staying good. I think that's gonna conclude the video. I know I'm about to start rambling. Anything else? That's it. Y'all be blessed. I'm out. Peace.